Hello and welcome friends. A lot has happened during summer with a huge backlog of video material, but first I want to show you our new workshop. We moved all material to the new location near my home base Lima Oscar Alpha Victor, south of Vienna, Austria. Next step, put all parts together to one single piece and then get the final surface finish with a layer of body filler and lots of sanding. Tom created some alignment pins to leave no place for any error. Now I am placing the nose on the center section for the final time. As you can see, the black cockpit entry section is not yet glued in. We just wanted to make sure if the surfaces have a good match with the nose. There has also been lots of other progress which cannot be seen. We recalculated the strength requirements and required laid-up schedules for the wing and have our spar design reviewed by a composite expert. We also finalized the engine inlet design with support from a company specializing in turboprop drones. The pitot design now has the best possible pressure recovery, which would give around 6% more thrust than a NACA inlet, while still having minimal drag penalty. In addition, our gears are already being in production by Behringer Aero. A huge thanks at this point to their incredible team for making this marvel possible. We now have at least 1/3 more braking capability than comparable aircraft, which is being a huge contributor to our short airfield requirements, and it was not easy to get that much braking power in such a small setup. There is so much tech involved in the landing gear that there will be a standalone video in November when the assembly of the wheel starts. We were allowed to also use the terrace of the workshop's owner. Always nicer to work in good weather instead of a basement. As you can see, we went for a vertical assembly of the fuselage. While being slightly more complicated in handling, there is less to worry about angular misalignment. And finally, after half a day of curing, the fuselage is ready to go horizontal for the first time in almost full of its length. As you can see, it looks exactly how we imagined it to be. By the time of this recording, the surface is already fully covered with body filler, but I will show you this in another video. As always, like the video like crazy, so YouTube will also show it to other folks out there, and leave a subscribe if you haven't already. See you soon in the next video. Fly safe, fly Horus.